Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the 1999 Buick Riviera Reborn, a stunning blend of timeless elegance and modern luxury. With its sweeping curves and sophisticated presence, it effortlessly commands attention on any road. Starting from the lower left, the flowing body lines give the Riviera a graceful silhouette, echoing its grand touring heritage. As we move up, the sleek LED headlights offer a contemporary touch while staying true to the original's refined character. The waterfall grille in the center is bold yet classy, framed by smooth chrome accents that add a sense of prestige. Moving further to the right, the sculpted hood lines flow seamlessly into the fenders, enhancing the Riviera's fluid design. Now, as we pan down to the lower right, the aerodynamic bumper and integrated air channels provide both function and finesse. Finally, circling back to the left, every detail on the front end speaks to a car designed for effortless elegance and modern appeal. A statement of style for those who appreciate refinement without compromise. As we shift to the rear, the Riviera's graceful stance continues to shine with a wide, poised look that speaks of quiet confidence. The wraparound taillights blend classic design with modern LED innovation. Moving toward the center, the Riviera badge is proudly placed, signifying heritage and prestige. Twin polished exhaust outlets hint at the power beneath, offering a subtle but confident growl. Panning further to the right, the sculpted rear arches and smooth character lines add a sense of motion even while standing still. Back down to the lower left, the sleek bumper integrates perfectly into the flowing design. This isn't just a sedan, it's a tribute to American luxury, reimagined for the modern era. Step inside, and the 1999 Buick Riviera welcomes you with an environment built for ultimate comfort and sophistication. The plush leather seats, accented with contrast piping, cradle you in luxury. The dashboard features a seamless blend of analog elegance and digital convenience, giving the driver full control in a calm, refined atmosphere. Moving across, the infotainment interface offers intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Now shifting to the lower right, brushed aluminum finishes and soft ambient lighting elevate the cabin experience. Finally, coming back to the left, the Riviera's interior is crafted to offer serenity, space, and subtle opulence. Inside, every moment is designed to soothe, engage, and impress. From the side, the Riviera's long, sweeping profile defines classic American grand touring design. The sloping roofline and elongated proportions give it a coupe-like elegance with sedan practicality. Moving up, the high beltline and flush door handles provide a clean, modern aesthetic. As we pan across, the tasteful chrome accents and Riviera badging offer understated charm. Shifting downward, the polished alloy wheels and refined suspension setup ensure a smooth, quiet ride. Finally, coming back to the left, the side skirts and clean character lines add grace without aggression. Elegance in motion, reborn for the discerning driver. Under the hood, the 1999 Riviera delivers smooth, commanding performance matched with refined engineering. A modernized 3.8L supercharged V6 powers this luxury sedan, delivering impressive torque and serene acceleration. Moving up, the digital cluster keeps you informed with real-time data on fuel economy, drive modes, and performance feedback. Across the center, adaptive driving modes allow the Riviera to glide effortlessly in city traffic or stretch its legs on open roads. Shifting to the right, advanced suspension and stability systems ensure a composed, confident ride. Bringing it back to the left, the Riviera balances power and comfort like few others can. A harmonious blend of performance, innovation, and quiet strength. The reborn 1999 Buick Riviera comes well equipped from an estimated $52,000, with higher trims reaching around $68,000. Moving up, Buick's luxury care package includes a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty and concierge services. Across the center, low maintenance costs and premium build quality make ownership as enjoyable as the drive itself. Panning further to the right, the blend of timeless design and modern tech makes the Riviera a compelling choice for connoisseurs. Finally, coming back to the left, this is your opportunity to drive a modern luxury icon that delivers both grace and power. If you're ready to experience serenity, prestige, and effortless driving, visit your nearest Buick dealership and discover the Riviera, where tradition meets tomorrow. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.